Who gets you?
Alright, it is the morning and we are going to Circuit of the Americas and we're gonna go watch American Rallycross with Shu. That's nobody. There we got Deshaun back there. We got Christian. And we got me, UCARS.
Bro, somebody hit my car, bro.
Someone hit your car? What do you mean?
Somebody hit it.
Look at that.
Who did that? Oh, look, did you see this one too? This one right here. That one.
Got you. This one.
Got him.
No, that one.
Memory card.
Oh, jeez. Alright, I don't know if anybody likes cold starts.
Maybe it's
but
the that like torn up your fucking.
Here's a cold start. So we got here to Circuit of the Americas. We got ThatsNobody over there, UCARS over here. We got all the STs and RSs hanging out together. And actually, that'd be a red one. That'd be a red one. We got cars, fun cars, fun cars. Cars on cars on cars at Circuit of the Americas. We're actually gonna walk around a little bit and check out all these cars that are here before we actually go through the gates to go watch American Rallycross together with everybody else.
Wishing that I could run away with you. Imprisoned by fear, just pull me away, pull me away. Secret fantasies of me. Will they ever see the light of day, light of day?
right, that's gonna end today's video at Cars and Coffee of Circuit of the Americas. Now, I'm gonna end it for today. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that like button, make sure you guys hit that subscribe, and I will see you guys later.